Okay, so now we want to get some random motion between these targets. So at the moment our character is walking to this target, that target, back to this one, back to the first one, and in this constant loop all the time. It's a little bit predictable. What we want is something that's slightly more intelligent. After all, it's artificial intelligence that we're trying to create. So we're giving the computer a chance to actually make up its own mind about which target it wants to go to. Now obviously the computer doesn't really make up its own mind. We create a little bit of a trick using random numbers, alright, that will randomize the character's decision as to which target to head toward, which gives the impression that the character has some sort of intelligence. But before we do this, however, let me go back to the animator, and if we just click on walking with axe, okay, and we click on, let's say, this transition, we'll notice that this has something checked called has exit time. As long as that's checked, it means that when it's moving from this animation to that animation, it will actually get to the end of this animation, play it all before transitioning, which is not what we want. Okay, so we're just going to untick both of those. Okay, and that way, when it changes animation, it's going to do so when we ask it to. Okay, it's not going to play the entire animation through to the end. Alright, so let's now work on putting some randomization in here. So where we have this at the moment, this current target plus plus, okay, I'm actually just going to remove this. Alright, I'm going to delete it. And where we have this current target plus plus, we're actually going to change it to current target equals a random number. Now to get a random number, we're going to say random dot range. Okay, and within brackets we're going to give it a range of numbers, alright, which is the minimum and the maximum number. So the minimum is obviously 1, the maximum should be 3, but we always go one more, and that will actually randomize between 1 and 3, and so we'll see what we get in the next video. So let's just save this and we'll try that in the next video.